for all those efforts. The other thing I just, if I could take, and from our standpoint, what does that really mean? Well, I think the key word for us is confidence. What that means is that the confidence that the program meets the educational standards of the profession. And we has started. Important to have confidence that their education, they're going to get the skill set, the competency out in the industry, and be very successfully important. And of course, prospective students want to know that the program is delivering at a standard that meets the profession. So that's important. And last but not least, our employers. Employers want to know that when they're about to hire a graduate coming out of civil infrastructure design program, that they've got the right skill set to be successful. So from our standpoint, accreditation is that kind of good housekeeping seal of approval saying, look, delivering, at a very high level, and everybody should have confidence in that respect. So from our standpoint, that's really what accreditation is about, is that confidence. Here in person, I would be looking for the accreditation certificate and about to hold it up. And I know Ed has it because he sent me a picture of him holding up the accreditation certificate. And I would say on behalf of Technology Accreditation Canada, we're very, very proud and congratulate the Civil Infrastructure Design Technology Program for achieving TAC National Program. Congratulations.
Okay.
So Edward, I'll pass the baton back to you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yes. How's that? Maybe what I would do is that we just do it virtually, Richard. I'm just holding up the certificate. I hope everybody can see. This is a certificate we received from TAC, right? Okay. Very proud to receive that. Thank you.
Hi, everyone.
Hello. Yes.
That's great. Thank you.
Welcome to join us today. So again, thank you, Richard, and thank you, TAC again. We are so proud and so honored to receive this accreditation certificate for Civil Infrastructure Design Diploma Program. And besides that, we also want to say thank you to all our staff, our administration, our faculty, and a great support from our management team. All the tremendous effort you put into during the auditing process, as well as make this accreditation come true. And we also have a special thank you to all the students, as well as the alumni, because you are the reason why to drive us forward every day, And in closing, I just want to say Brighton College, right? We continue on offering, delivering, as well as developing good quality programs for our students. Okay, thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of the virtual celebration. So next, what I will do is I'll pass on to Carol, the president of Brighton College, Dr. Carol Pollock. Go ahead, Carol. You have a few words for us.
Thanks, Edward. Well, thank you, Richard, and thank you, Shauna, and thanks to the whole committee, the accreditation committee, the auditing committee, the committee for all the hard work that you did so that we could come to this day. And it really is a pleasure and an honor to see Edward hold up that certificate. That is a culmination of so much hard work, not just on behalf of all the people that put together the application process, Holly, all the administrators, all the staff, everybody who worked so hard to get to that point. But also it's a testament to the very high caliber of instruction that goes on at Brighton College, and also the fact that we have these wonderful students who are able to avail themselves of this excellent, excellent program. And I'd also like to thank Patrick for his vision and for always prodding us on to achieve as much as we can with the programs we offer. as I said, this is a very proud day for everybody, and it's a great opportunity for Brighton College to be able to have this this particular certificate, this accreditation, which is wonderful to be recognized worldwide for the excellent program that we have. And I look forward to many more excellent educational opportunities to come out of Brighton College. The future looks rosy indeed. I'll turn it back to Edward for now, and he can take it from there.
Okay, thank you, Carol. Yeah, very well said, Carol. Exactly, that's what we're driving us forward to offer good quality programs to the students. And we're very proud that Brighton College, we're positioned among all the elite colleges across Canada to offer TAC accredited programs. Okay, so next maybe we have Penny, Dr. Penny Likoche. She's the Dean of Academics at Brighton College. Go ahead, Penny. Say a few words for us.
Sure. Thank you. I'll add my thanks, Carol, for all of the hard work for everybody involved in this. I'd like to say a few words about Brighton College's next big step, and that is we are planning to apply to the province, to the Degree Quality Assessment Board, to be able to offer a degree, a 4-year degree in construction management. This will be 44 courses over 8 semesters, and of these courses, 13 of them are in Brighton's diploma programs. So hopefully by September 2022, or maybe January 2023, we will be running this new program. I think this degree is very needed by the province of British Columbia. The only similar program is BCIT's program, 3rd and 4th year, what they call a degree completion program. So when ours comes into being, we will be the only 4-year direct program in the province. So having this accreditation from TAC is very important, and we will be going to be talking. I've already mentioned it in the proposal. The interesting thing about this program, I think, is that there is a very big need for it in British Columbia. One of the government's own publications said that over the next 10 years, they would be looking for something like 7,350 new project construction managers. So that's about 730 or 40 a year. And many other provinces already, in fact, most of other provinces already have this degree. Ontario has a large number of degrees in construction management, places like George Brown College. Alberta, which is smaller than BC, has 2 construction management degrees in 2 different institutions, Northern Alberta Institute of Technology and Southern Alberta Institute of Technology. So we are hoping in the next month or so that we will be able to finish off the work involved in getting this application ready, and hopefully you'll be hearing some good news from us again. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Penny. Yes, I'm not sure if Marv, are you here today? He's chairperson of our board. Yes. If Marv is not available, Jeff.
Oh, I'm here, Edward.
Hi, Marv. How are you? Okay, great. So, go ahead, Marv.
Watching the ceremony, and I just am encouraged by Penny's words and Carol's. Great accomplishment, and I think Edward is the one who probably deserves the most praise for it, because he's done the most to get everything together and keep us all on the rails. But I'm really enthusiastic about the new construction management degree. I think it's really needed in the province, and I believe that it's going to be a huge boost to Brighton College.
Yes. Thank you, Marv. Marv is a chairperson of our board. And Linda, while you're there, would you like to say a few things for us?
Oh, I also would just like to share my congratulations to everyone. Like most successful initiatives in life, it's all about teamwork, and you have a wonderful team at Brighton College. And I've had the pleasure of working with various members of your team on another project, and so have gotten to know them really well and understand why the courses and the programs that you offer at Brighton College are so successful, because you have a very hardworking, very committed, very loyal team that are very focused on providing the best education that they can to students and making a difference in the lives of people who are looking for a new future. So I've really enjoyed getting to know the staff at Brighton, not at all surprised by the success of this accomplishment, and look forward to being part of future initiatives that I have every confidence will be very successful. You've got a very impressive, committed, intelligent, hardworking team, and that's what it takes, and you've done a good job. Congratulations.
Thank you, Linda. Linda is the Vice President of Brighton College, right? And we also like to have our Director of Operations, Polly, and she's one the big part of the team to make this accreditation be successful too. Go ahead, Polly. Would you like to say a few things to us?
Thank you, Edward. I know it is, I'm part of the team working on the project and get this point. For sure, yeah, lots of effort behind of the, the certificate, Team Oscar, Vincent, every of you. So, and for Edward is a great leader leading this project to put us on this stage. I just would like to thank you and the support from the board and our senior management. So here I really like to hold my cup to post a chair and for everyone's good job done with this point. Thank you.
Absolutely. Cheers, Polly. So thank you again for everybody's great speech and good effort and everything. And it's very true. I want to say thank you to some of our faculty, as I said earlier, our staff, administration, faculty, and in particular Oscar, Louisa, Vincent, plus others, right? I cannot mention all the names, really put in, and also Todd as well. Also Todd Norvey, he also put in a lot of work during the auditing process and become very successful. And definitely is a teamwork, right? It's a complete teamwork, another great demonstration of a team effort, right? Okay. And lastly, maybe Jeff Sales. Jeff is has been with us for a long time. He's a member of our board. He's also, he was with ASTDBC. And would you like to say a few things to us? This is a technology program, Jeff.
Yeah, thank you very much, Edward, and huge congratulations. I'm absolutely delighted this has come down the way it has. And it's been a real privilege for me to be any part of this success. And going back a couple of years several years actually, when we got the first accreditation, with a CTAB accreditation that now is a TAC accreditation, that's an achievement in itself. And to have played any part of it gives me great pride. And to be associated with you and Marv and Patrick and the rest of your team and Penny, and I really look forward to the the advent of your degree program. That's wonderful. That's I'm so happy to see that's coming along the way it is. So again, huge congratulations on behalf of the technologists in the province, and we look forward to welcoming some of the new members from your program into our association.
Yeah. And Jeff, would you mind mentioning something about the relationship between TAC and ASTTPC?
Sure, yeah. And Richard is probably going to be able to do this as well as I can. But we have a long history going back. TAC is the national wing of the amalgamation of all the provincial associations of technology. And they have been going for probably 40 years. Previously was known as CCTT, is now known as Technology Professionals Canada, and TAC is the branch of that organization, which looks, as you know, after all the accreditations of all the provincial programs right across the country, and really serves to assure that there's a level playing field across all these programs, and that they provide the right kinds of education going forward, as far as we can tell, anyway, into the future. What I've been trying to push personally, and Richard is probably going to is tired of me hearing these things, but I think that climate change awareness and mitigation tools should be part of every single program of every technology in engineering and technology right across the country. I think that is job one for all of us. We all got to know what to do, and we all got to know how best to do it. And your program, I know, has at least some components of understanding what to do and how to abate climate change in it. And I'm going to be keeping on pushing that narrative for as long as I can talk. So again, congratulations to everybody, and great to see you, Marv, and Penny, hi, and especially Polly. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, Jeff. Right, he's always a big part of our team as well to make the program be successful. And yeah, maybe what I'll do is I'll hold up the certificate one more time, and then I'll pass it back to Richard, maybe in closing, to have a few words for us. So once again, this is the certificate. We're very proud to have it. And yeah, we are moving forward. We're committed to offer more programs to our students. Thank you. And Richard, so in closing, would you like to conclude this ceremony and the
Sure, yeah,
celebration?
thank you. And maybe I'll just pick up on a couple of themes of today, just to follow up on Jeff's point, and very specific to the graduates from the program. Is one of the benefits of coming through a TAC accredited program, whether it's ASTTBC or any of the provincial bodies, there's what we call an expedited path to certification. So that's sort of the will for the groups if they should get their designation. So I just wanted to pick up on the theme of teamwork, and everybody's. This takes a very, very big team, and so it has been an excellent experience from our perspective, and a lot of teamwork has gone into it, and that's really why it's so wonderful to celebrate with a bunch of people that have contributed to something that's very successful. So that's always very gratifying, and I certainly, we extend our to the construction management degree program. That sounds like a fabulous pathway for students to exit, the diploma program and graduate and move on to have another opportunity to learn more and then move into the profession. So we wish everybody best success with that. It sounds like it's in great shape, and I'm sure you're going to get it over the goal line very shortly. So again, we're really pleased to be able to join together to celebrate. It's a really important thing to do. And we just want everybody to stay safe, and hopefully sooner than later we can come out and visit in person. But until that time, we will stay where we're supposed to and stay safe, and wish everybody the same, and enjoy your weekend.
Okay, thank you, Richard, again. And thank you, everyone, for your participation in today's virtual celebration. And yeah, it is our commitments to continue on, develop good programs for our students, right? And yeah, we like to work with TAC in the future and continue on have more accredited programs, and perhaps can work with other colleges across Canada so we can work as a team to deliver the program. So thank you so much, everybody, for coming today. Enjoy and have a nice weekend.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank
Congratulations
See
to
you.
everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.